So few days back, I had this rose flavored ice cream, and I really liked that. I loved the floral note. So today, I'm gonna be making something floral. So I bought this. This is Gulkand, and this is basically a rose jam. So I'll make a Gulkand wine, if you can call it that. Technically, wine has to be made out of a fruit, so I don't know what it is called, but a fermented beverage made out of Gulkand, rose jam. So that would be the correct way to call this. So I'll open this bottle. It is a 5 liter bottle which I have purchased, and I'll reduce the water and then I'll put all the ingredients. So first I'll put this entire bag of sugar. This is a 1 kg bag of sugar. And then I'll put this rose jam, aka Gulkand, in this. I'll use a spoon. This thing looks like this, very jammy and sticky. So this step is done. I'll now put the yeast, which is here, and this is very simple. You just take and put decent amount. That's it. That much would be enough. And then you close the lid and shake this and mix this really well. And after it is done mixing, what you have to do, you have to open this thing completely, and then you very slowly tighten it, like with very feather touch. And once you can't just tight it by doing this, that's enough. You don't have to tight it through and through. You have to close it just enough so that the pressure buildup from this fermentation will go out, but outside air will not go in. That's the trick. So If I press hard, the air should come out. The air is coming out when I'm pressing hard, or else there's no airflow from back and forth. So when pressure will build here, so the air will go out, but outside air will not go in. That step needs to be perfected, or else if outside air goes in, then the fermentation won't work properly, and also a positive pressure is needed so that the fermentation happens uh, perfectly. So that's the trick. And if it is closed too tightly, then also it will fail, because then it will become a bomb and it would bust. So uh, just enough tightness so that the air can only go out when slight positive pressure is built inside. So I'll keep it uh, in a corner of my flat, and I'll see you guys after 30 days and check how this turns and how this tastes, because I'm making this for the first time in my life, so I don't know if this will taste good or not, but I'm actually hopeful that it will probably taste good. This is how it looks after a few days. The fermentation is still going on, and it will take in total 30, 35, maybe 40 days, and then this thing will become completely clear. Now it's hazy like this. Can't wait to taste this thing. Finally, the wait is over. This has completed the fermentation stage. Now, the last step remains to take out this rose alcohol from this bottle to this bottle, and I'll use this PVC food grade pipe to siphon out the alcohol from this bottle to this bottle. So let's get to that. Now, to get the liquid flowing from this bottle to this bottle, we just have to grab this bottle like this and have to suck really hard here and initiate the siphon. And the siphon started. So this is how it is done, and I'll also monitor the flow from here, because I have to make sure that no dead yeast or any other kind of particle goes through this pipe, because the bottom layer is the dead yeast layer. I'm supposed to not disturb that and take out the juice. I'm tilting this just so that I can get every last bit of alcohol out of this bottle, and that's it. I'll take it out in a smaller one and do the taste check. So I've come here in this beautiful place to try this beautiful Gulkand wine. Let's taste this. Sun just went down that hill, and first sip of this experiment. I don't know how this will taste, but I'm really hopeful that this will taste good. So, cheers. The rose flavor is there. It's not the very typical floral kind of rose flavor. This is kind of very jaggery, sweet rose flavor. The flavor is very intense, not mellow, dark, thick, jaggery like, with hint of very bold rose flavor. I won't say the flavor is very mild and floral and fruity because the flavor is not like that. The flavor is more of a thick, intense, jaggery rose mix up kind of a flavor. I would have preferred it if it was milder, floral, the flavor was subtle, more nuanced with respect to the smell of it than the taste of it. But here, smell wise, there's not much rose. Yes, smell wise, there's not much rose or any kind of pleasant smell at all. It smells nothing as such. But the flavor is nice. I was expecting it to be much floral, lighter, fruitier, but it is more of a intense, sweet, thick, rosy, jaggery like flavor, which is also nice, but I would have preferred it what I just explained. But maybe with fresh rose petal or something else, I can make something like that. But with Gulkand, this is how it turned out. Yeah, this was good. I mean, this is good. Let's finish this thing, and yeah, that's about it. And last bit of sunlight is right over there behind that hill. Once again, cheers. I'll see you guys with another one.